Alright, we have made it to John Penton GNCC. It's actually really late on Friday night. Kind of just been hanging out. Bite the track a little bit. The conditions look absolutely amazing. So I see you tomorrow. I'm actually really excited about tomorrow and see kind of how this thing goes and plays out. So Fooler's ready to go. Worked on it all last weekend, all this weekend to make sure it is in top shape for this coming weekend here. But big shout out to Raw. It's October, so you know we had to go with the pink sticker kit on it. But she's looking all ready. Mr. Ashman is getting his dinner. It is that late at night. It's almost time for me to actually probably call it night. I got a little bit longer. But yeah, so I guess we're gonna get after it tomorrow. Wake up, watch a little youth race right here beside the track. So maybe I thought about trying to film some other stuff tomorrow. Kind of see how that goes. But yeah, so I guess let me get a good night of sleep and get ready for tomorrow. Big day ahead of us. Alright, well, it's officially go time. Got everything ready to go. We had a little bit of mishap this morning, but I think it's all taken care of now. Fooler's ready to go. Watching a little bit of the youth. They're coming off pretty, not like they're muddy, but not bad. So I think something actually turned out to be a good race. Doesn't seem to be a little bit of dust. It's a little colder than I would like, you know, coming from the south. But yeah, so I guess it's time we head on down the line and have a little bit of fun today and see how this game goes. Alright, so what's up guys? I'm back. It is actually Sunday. It's like late Sunday. Everything was just a little high for me. I was on cloud 9 yesterday. So we lined the championship up. We are officially won the 4x4A class, which honestly feels amazing. You know, didn't really have to push yesterday, and I kind of knew that. Like, it was like, as long as, like, once again, I think I want to talk about it in the last video, as long as I survive, we'll be fine. And that was like mainly my game yesterday. It's like, all right, well, if we get out front, just ride around, do what you need to do, you know, don't tear the four-wheeler up. And it's kind of what my mindset was. I actually, Charlie Stewart, I raced with him out throughout like Mid-East, all through when I was like on 150s, 125s, and me and him actually just kind of like, I caught him and he rode with me the entire race, and it was fun. We were just kind of playing around a little bit, not really, I mean, I don't want to say not taking it like 100% serious, but we were just having fun out there, just messing around, because I knew I didn't need to just go balls to the wall and risk, you know, my four-wheeler, risk something stupid happening, and that's kind of what we did yesterday. So all in all, it was a good day. Still was able to get a first, even though, you know, we were taking it on a Sunday stroll yesterday. But you know, that was the closest I've had somebody all year. But you know, like I said, it don't really matter to me. We were on a Sunday stroll, so you know. But I guess we'll get geared up and get ready to head to Ironman here in 2 weeks to end this season off. And then I think right after Ironman, I'm gonna do some other stuff. Just trying to get some practice in over the winter, make sure I stay fresh on the bike. Because I just been loving riding my four-wheeler here recently. Just been like a big kid on it. So, but yeah, I got some other family stuff I gotta go take care of today. Get everything else taken care of, and I guess I'll see y'all guys in the next one.